Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're replacing the Serpentine belt on a 2010 Nissan Maxima 3.5 V6 automatic with CVT transmission. So, the part number is K070669 by Gates. It's a $20 belt, 3-year warranty at O'Reilly's, not a sponsor, wish I was. You're going to need a 15mm bolt socket and a ratchet, or one that it actually extends like this, because you're going to need it to put tension on the actual tensioner that's right here. It's a 15mm. You're going to go downwards, which is I believe clockwise. Right here is your crankshaft, idler pulley, AC compressor. Right up above it is the alternator, and then you got another idler pulley above this one. Right here's the guy we're after. This is the tensioner. So like I said, clockwise. See how it loosens the belt? But I'm going to have to go a different way. Make sure you remember where the belt goes. Take a picture of it, write it down on a piece of cardboard, do something. Here's why I replaced it. I'm going to. See the pieces missing off of it? At least I hope you can. The ribs missing out of the whole rib right here. This is a 7-rib belt. But your new one, you can see the difference. A lot better made, quality. I always like to take the numbers that are facing this way and face them up, just so whenever the vehicle's running you can see it as it goes around the pulleys. One thing I like to do while I have the belt off, I mean you might as well, is spin each one of the pulleys. If it's quiet and there's no noise, especially the idlers, they love to fail and the bearings go out. But I feel it when it spins smooth. That spins smooth. Tensioner pulley spins smooth, there's no noise, there's no play. Crankshaft you're not going to be able to spin. Spin the alternator up underneath. And it's actually brand new, so we ain't got to worry about that one. And then you got a tensioner one, an idler up here. Oh, I hear a little noise. There's no play, but I hear a little noise. That one will probably need to be replaced in the near future. Alright, I pretty much got it started some. On some of the pulleys, I have a pretty good photographic memory that I can remember how things went as long as I do it in a certain period of time. So the bottom is started. It's around the power steering pump. It goes over the tensioner, down the crankshaft, up over the idler, down over the AC, up around the alternator, under the other idler, and then straight to the power steering pump. But you won't be able to get it on. So basically what you're going to do is once you get it all down here, get it up there, you can't get nothing from the top of the car. You got to do it all down here. Just lay on your back and put your hands up through here. Luckily I have small hands. This one's going to actually stay off, because that's going to be my last resort of putting on, because this is the tensioner I'm going to be using to pull down to put the belt back on. Okay, so like I showed you before, it's around the power steering pump, goes across, goes under the top idler, across over the alternator. God, I can't think today. The AC compressor, around the bottom idler, then the crankshaft, then the tensioner. What I'm going to do is leave it all like this, get started on the pull it off of this pulley right here, and actually go ahead and put it on this one, because I can't get the ratchet on the end of that stud with the belt like it is, and the belt won't go on until the tension's pulled down anyhow. So you got to take it off actually of this pulley, or yeah, right here. Something ain't right. Nope. Okay, now make sure before you release that every one of them are back on. Just take your hand, it's around alternator, compressor, pulleys, crankshaft, power steering pump, and then make sure they're aligned just right in the middle. Release, and you're done. Put the dummy covers back on, all that good stuff, and then fire it up. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and fire it up right now. And that, guys, is how you fix a bad or squeaky cut serpentine belt on a 2010 Nissan Altima. Thanks for watching. Have any questions or comments, leave them at the bottom. I'll try my best to get to them. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and make sure you have the notification bell on so every time I upload, you get notified. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day or night. Hope this helps out for whatever you needed.